Hey guys, Doug B here. Welcome to Preset of the Week, where I highlight a preset either from the factory presets or from one of the third-party creators. Now this week I've got another interesting factory preset for you. Let's all turn on our FX3 and turn to preset 265, New Planets. Looking at the grid, you can see that there's 4 scenes for this preset. Scene 1 is original, Scene 2 is EXO, Scene 3 is heavy, and Scene 4 is diatonic harmonic. Now, like I mentioned last week, it'll definitely help if you have an FC controller, but it isn't absolutely necessary. You can always use your mouse to switch scenes and accent it. Now, I'm still using this beautiful Paul Reed Smith SE Custom 2408 that arrived around 10 days ago. It's supposed to go under the Christmas tree, but my wife just got her new guitar that I got for her, a Harley Benton HB35 Plus, and she is so busy playing her guitar, she's not too worried about what I'm doing with this guitar. So it might make it under the tree, it might not. That'll be fine. Yes, sir, I drank the PRS Kool-Aid, and it is so good. I'm sure there'll be more Paul Reed Smith guitars featured on this channel in the future. Okay, back to the preset. It opens using Scene 1, which is called Original. Now, as you can see, besides the in and out blocks, it uses a Comp 1 block, Drive block, Amp block, Cab block, Pitch 1 and Pitch 2 blocks, the Enhance block, the Reverb block, the Chorus block, and the Comp block. Comp 1 is using the Studio FF Compressor 1, the Drive block is using the SDD preamp, the Amp block is using the USA Clean, the Cab block is using a 2x12 double verb mix from the Legacy Bank. Now the pitch blocks, those are the guys that are doing the heavy lifting. Each scene uses a different channel in the pitch block. Scene 1 uses channel A, Scene 2 uses channel B, Scene 3 uses channel C, and Scene 4 uses channel D. Now channels A, B, and C use the dual chromatic type with different voice settings in each channel, while channel D uses the quad diatonic delay. Now the Enhance block uses the modern type, Reverb block is using the deep space, Chorus block is using digital stereo, and the second Comp block is also using the Studio FF Compressor 1. Now the Drive block is only engaged during Scene 3, otherwise it's in bypass mode. Alright guys, let's try out this preset. Like I mentioned before, scene number 1 is called Original. I'm guessing that it was a preset that was on the FX3 just by itself in the pre-Cygnus days, and then when Cygnus came along and they redid the presets, they made this into one and then added a few scenes to it. Anyway, let's check out scene 1. First I'll hit one note, and then I'll hit a couple sequences of notes so you can see what we can do with it. All right, let's check out scene 2. It's called EXO, EXO. All right, let's try scene 3, which is called Heavy. This one engages the drive block. Scene 4 is called Diatonic Harmonics. This one is best if you just play octaves. Otherwise, you can do some fifths too, but anything more than that and it gets to be one heck of a mess. So there you have it, guys. New planets. Now presets like this, I mean, they can be used in ambient tunes, they can be used in soundtracks, they can be used in games. I mean, it's whatever you feel it works best with. But a lot of times, these presets that make your guitar sound like a synth, they can be a lot of fun if you're up for the challenge. Okay guys, this Friday we're going to be looking at using the Axe FX3 with a keyboard rig. Now you don't want to miss that, so hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. All right guys, see you on Friday.